Did you know that eagles are not birds? In entrance examinations in the Philippines like ACET, USTET, DCAT, and UST, mental ability, logical reasoning is one of the sub-tests na akala ng maraming Filipinos is kaya na yan ng common sense. Gugulantangin natin kayo because in this one, totoo ba? Eagles are birds? Or posibleng hindi? Now, to answer this one, let's debunk it. Kasi, real-life logic yung ginagamit ng karamihan ng mga Filipinos or informal logic in trying to answer these questions. Pero in CETs, entrance examinations, we actually use formal logic. In formal logic, the conclusion must follow the premises. It doesn't matter if it's real in real life, it must follow the premises. Doon lang siya magiging valid. Pakita natin kung paano siya sinasagutan. Okay? So, all birds have wings. So, technically, if you draw the set of birds, lahat ng birds is merong wings. So, wings is yung mas malaki dito. Wings is yung ating bigger boss. Okay? Interpretations wise, if you have wings, no. Start tayo sa birds. Okay? If you are a bird, you definitely have wings. But hindi porket may wings ka is birds ka na. Hindi siya bidirectional. Kasi merong other possible cases. Pwede ka maging may wings, na butterfly, or manananggal. Diba? They may exist. We cannot form any valid conclusions about them. Tuturo natin yun sa next sessions natin. Pero we can identify na they exist. Kaya nga hindi siya bidirectional. That's the first one. Now, eagles have wings. Okay? The only assurance na we have is eagles under siya ng wings. So, paano natin siya ilalagay? Pwede siya dito and pwede din siya dito. Okay? Pwede siyang maging may wings lang pero hindi siya birds. Kasi totoo naman eh. Eagles have wings. Pasok na pasok siya sa sinabi sa second premise. And then, pwede siya dito, eagles na may wings and under din siya ng birds. Okay? Kaya two possible cases. Each circle, each area provides a different case. Yun yung challenging dito sa formal logic. We need to account for all possibilities, not in real life, but based on sa sinabi sa premises. Okay? Now, therefore, eagles are birds. Ilan yung possible cases natin na ganang eagles? Dalawa. This one and this one. So, in fraction, dalawa. Ilan lang yung birds sa cases na yan? Just this single one. 1/2. So, is it true? No. Is it false? Technically, no. It is uncertain. In real life, it doesn't make sense, right? Because eagles are definitely birds. But again, we're using formal logic in entrance examinations. Just follow the premises. Okay, and this one, it is uncertain. Kaya marami bumabagsak ng mga Filipinos because common sense lang daw. But technically, it's not. It's about the rules. Kung paano siya magiging valid. Plus, a bit of a common sense. Hindi naman siya mawawala eh, pero hindi pwedeng common sense lang. It's majority all about the rules. Kaya if gusto mong bumagsak, go ahead. Just use your common sense. Pero if gusto mong pumasa, just click the next video. Welcome to Kulag Boss Tutorials. #RealityCheck.